He's claiming you hit his car. Okay?
I did not hit his car.
Well, that's not my problem.
I have a dash cam.
Okay, that's great. You don't jump out of a car when you're on a car stop. It's an easy way to wind up dead, buddy.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network channel. Today I'd like to bring you guys one crazy video coming to you by the way of this channel, Joshua Gray. Watch here as this man, who actually happens to be a private investigator, is exiting an intersection and nearly colliding with another vehicle. Let's watch here as this certain vehicle views this incident the very wrong way and then creates what could have been a very bad situation based purely out of pride and ego. As always, make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to go show some support. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Into my vehicle.
Freaking brain dead jumping out of the car at a car stop? I don't care who you are.
I'm doing moving automobile surveillance. You've just screwed that up completely.
Yeah, you just got into an accident. I don't care what I screwed up.
I did not get into an accident.
Honestly, I don't give a shit what surveillance you're doing. This is a motor vehicle stop. I don't care if you ran a red light. I don't care what you did. It doesn't give you the right to do it. He's claiming you hit his car. Okay?
I did not hit his car.
Well, that's not my problem.
I have a dash cam.
Okay, that's great.
Maybe not every law enforcement officer may act this radical towards you, but certainly most like to use these tactics. And that either may be trying to intimidate you, retaliate, and even blame shifting on the victims in attempts to incriminate you. Know your rights and always record the police.
You don't jump out of a car when you're on a car stop. It's an easy way to wind up dead, buddy. Think about it. Think about it for 2 seconds. You jump out of a car with me and my cruiser on a car stop. Brilliant. Close your door and wait.
You just hit me. You just hit me.
Close your door.
You just hit me with this door.
That's fine. Close your door.
You're being video and audio recorded.
Close your door.
He slammed the door on my foot, and it really hurt. I waited for a few minutes, and then he came back.
All right. Because you're so enamored in trying to follow a car, you caused another accident.
I did not.
Okay. Whatever. He's claiming that you cut him off, causing him to drive into a signpost and had significant damage on his car because you're an erratic operator.
I did not.
Okay. Well, that's his claim. I'm going to let the other officers handle it because I'm on my way into work. Okay? But you realize how close you came to a serious incident by just jumping out of your car in a car stop. No normal person does that.
I'm a private investigator. I'm on pursuit.
It doesn't matter what you're doing.
Right
now, you're in a traffic stop. Because you're a private investigator, it doesn't give you the right to jump out of your car in a traffic stop.
From my perspective, that guy had serious road rage.
Yeah, because you caused him to smash into a sign.
I did not.
In his opinion.
I did not.
Okay. Where did your surveillance initiate, Peabody?
It initiated in a different town.
Okay. You do realize that you have to follow all traffic laws regardless of your private investigative status, correct?
I did. I followed all traffic laws.
How you doing?
Very good.
Good. It was my area where this happened. So I'm the officer. What happened?
I'm a private investigator. I'm following somebody.
That's okay. Like, what happened with the car and everything?
Nothing. I just was following all traffic laws, and he claimed...
I'm sorry, I really can't hear you.
I was following all traffic laws, and then all of a sudden this guy was road raging on me.
All right. We got two conflicting stories, so he's saying you cut him off, which caused him to swerve, and he hit the fence, or he hit some object. Does that not what happened?
That's between him and whatever he hit. I did not see anything like that.
All right, is this your job?
Yes.
All right, just give me a minute. I'm just gonna get his information real fast, and we'll probably be all on the way. Okay.
Okay.
I waited a bit longer, and then was sent on my way.
Thanks a lot.
There you go.
No problem.
All right, so you're on. Have a good day. All right.
You too. Thanks.
Do be sure to check the description down below for the original video link and channel link. And as always, of course, make sure you guys leave your thoughts and comments down below in the comment section. Don't forget to let them know San Joaquin News Network sent you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.